How to make money and get rich playing video games in 2020. Parents used to say that playing video games will do no good for your health, but it can definitely be good for your wallet if you're playing the right kind of games. Sometimes, video games can earn you more than a traditional job. Have you ever wondered how you can make a living or even become rich from video games? Welcome to the Wisdom Tank. Today, we'll be presenting you with our exclusive guide on making money and getting rich playing video games this year. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to turn notifications on for more videos like today, or else you will end up broke forever. Tip number 5, become a video game tester. The original way to make money playing video games has always been becoming a video game tester. Via this way, developers will pay testers to try out their games in a real player environment. The beta testers are an important part of the game development process because they are the ones able to spot which bugs or features of the game are making it unenjoyable or difficult to play. Every game worth its salt will hire at least a couple of video game testers to make sure it's fun and enjoyable for all. On top of that, the national average pay for video game testers in the United States is none other than $67,813 per year, which is nothing to be ashamed of when you're being paid for playing. Tip number 4, starting a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is a lucrative way to profit from your gaming platform. Many hope to one day make a living playing games on YouTube. A few already do. PewDiePie's estimated monthly revenue from YouTube ads fluctuates between $140,000 and $1.4 million, depending on viewership, according to Social Blade, a company that monitors YouTube channels. Other players bank much smaller paychecks, but that's still a lot of cash from just playing games. Tip number 3, Twitch streaming. Streaming is another popular alternative to the YouTube channel, or you can even combine both of them. Twitch is a streaming platform where viewers can watch others play their favorite games. For example, Twitch streamer Ninja made $10 million in 2018 just from ad revenue, a couple of sponsorships here and there, and his Twitch subscribers. On average, expert streamers can make between $3,000 to $5,000 each month playing around 40 hours a week. That specific number doesn't include ad revenue, which averages about $250 every 100 subscribers. Tip number 2, compete in tournaments. While tournaments aren't a consistent source of money, as you need to have incredible talent just to participate in one, let alone win, some of the biggest esports games can earn you some incredible cash. As a matter of fact, esports tends to offer regular salaries to their team participants. Average salaries can be found in the $3,000 to $5,000 monthly range in countries such as China and the US. Some players can even earn up to $15,000 for a single competition plus bonuses. In fact, Timothy Miller, better known as Bizzle, earns around $322,000 per year participating in Fortnite tournaments. Tip number 1, create your own video game-inspired merchandise. Finally, you can create and sell your own video game-inspired merchandise. You can, for example, create your own t-shirts, figurines, coffee mugs, and even item replicas of a few staple items from well-known franchises such as The Legend of Zelda, Pokémon, and Mario. So, what are your thoughts on these incredible tips for making money while playing video games? Ready to get rich while playing? Let us know in the comments. Also, make sure to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time for more.